Try number 5. Your car gets 32 miles per gallon. How much does it cost to drive 30 miles when gasoline costs $2.55 per gallon? Okay, so the question is how much does it cost to drive 30 miles? So I want to know 30 miles is going to cost how much? Some other relationships they give us. We know that you can go 32 miles on 1 gallon of gas. We know that $2.55 will buy 1 gallon of gas. Okay, and that is the information they give us in the problem. Okay, so we want to know miles and dollars. So again, we don't have a dollar per mile here, or a mile per dollar, but we do know a relationship between miles and gallons. So I can put an intermediary here, so I can go from miles to gallon, and I do have a relationship between gallons and dollars. So that will complete my chain. So I actually put this together. I'm going to start with my first one. So my G gallon for 30 miles. And I know that 1 gallon will get me 32 miles. Okay, so getting rid of my denominator here, multiply both sides by 30 miles. So the 30 miles cancels out on both sides over here. So I'm left with just G gallons on the left side. The miles cancel out over here, so I have 1 times 30. And that's going to be divided by the denominator. So 30 divided by 32 is going to give me approximately 0.9375 gallons. And I'm going to leave several decimal points here because I don't want to round too early. So that means that 30 miles will use 0.9375 gallons. So now I want to know how much money will it cost to buy that number of gallons. So I say X dollars for 0.9375 gallons is going to equal $2.55 per 1 gallon. Okay, so getting rid of this denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 0.9375 gallons. Sorry, I forgot the unit. Very important. So just as before, my these both cancel out. On the right side, my gallons cancel out, but not the numbers. So I'm left with X dollars equal my 255 times my 0.9375. Now if you still have this in your calculator, you can go ahead and use that previous answer and just type, click on the multiply 2.55 to get the exact instead of this approximation. So multiplying these together would get you $2.39. So it will cost $2.39 to drive 30 miles.